Ndomereri no yokete oriri mabuku matahitukitio ni Ruhonge rwa kurora mutatara uyu guku bururi-ini makoretwo magikirirwo nganja ni ya Kenya makiria muno kugerera mitambo ya ukinyaniria. Muikariri giti wa Ruhonge ruru Julius Jawan augite mabuku maya makoretwo macabithitio ni turia-nime na uguo matihitukitio ni Ruhonge ruu.
Lots of authors and publishers submit several books, but only a few are approved. So you'll find that there are those whose books are not approved that still decide in working with unscrupulous, probably booksellers, and sometimes, probably unfortunately, even with some teachers, to put their books in the market that are not approved by KICD.
Kenya marambiriirie kugia na weneni iguru rigie mabuku maya thutha wa kuona maundu mamwe ma maria mandikitwo ni turia-nime buku-ini icio ni makuhitithia arutwo.
Because many people contacted me over this. It's still doing rounds on social media. As you can see clearly, there's nowhere at all indicated that this has been approved by KICD. I'm not sure where the photo came from, but these are kind of things that we don't agree with.
Jawan na kiugo uyu ni thina umwe wa maria maragumira kurutithio wira kwa mutaratara mweru wa mathomo akiuria endia mabuku guku bururi-ini gutigirira mabuku maria mahitukitio ni Ruhonge ruru nimo menderio aciari.
Education officers and field officers in the Ministry of Education and teachers, including head teachers, should ensure that they only acquire books that have been approved by KICD.
Ningi oho ni augite ati mabuku mamwe ma maria makoretwo makinyagio ng'enda-ini ici cia ukinyaniria ti ma guku bururi-ini no Ruhonge ruru ni rukuoya makinya marumu magutigirira mutaratara uyu mweru ni wanyitithio thinga arutwo kana aciari matekuhitithio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi Nyamu.